G'day everybody there at FTX. Pretty exciting time right now. I'm about to tell you why. We're going to cover the top 10 because I want you equipped for the weekend that I'm hoping we get. Of course, this video is brought to you by FTX. If you haven't got your exchange account already, then you're missing out on the best trading platform out there when it comes to your orders and whatnot. You can open up an account with the link below for 10% off your trading fees. More importantly, there is how to go long, how to go short, and also how to manage your risk in the description just below on this video. So go fill your boots. Right, so I'm going to start with Bitcoin here. On the 1 hour here, what have we got? We got a little pullback, little cradle there, little pop. Yeah, sweet. Looks good, but in the scheme of things, I mean, look, let's be realistic here. This week, started off good, but then it's been a bit mushy. I'm hoping to see cyclicity kick in and continue to follow through, but here's what's really exciting me at the moment. Let's start with this weekly. And this is a video less about here's what I'm trading right now. I'll show you what I'm looking at, but it's more about here's the plan. You know the strategy for the crypto cradle trade, right? Here's the plan for me this weekend. Going into the weekend, it could be a very busy one. Of course, the weekly's pullback, bullish candle broke the high like it did back here. Had a good run through there. I'm hopeful that this is going to do the same, getting us above this 12.5 region, all right? For the time being, however, we focus on this daily trend. Notice the higher low, higher high. It pulled back, not by much. It didn't come right into here, which could show a lot more strength for Bitcoin. Could be. And what I'm waiting for now is a break of the candle here. If we break the high, 11,630, you know, a push to 12,000 is not far away. We get through there, and oh my goodness, all that could break loose, and it could be a fantastic run to the end of the year. But I'm going to focus on what I'm looking at, not just on Bitcoin, but across the market. So if we break above the high of that, I'm price fighter. I'm ready. I'm in the ring. I'm looking. I'm hunting. You know, not just Bitcoin though. I mean, obviously Bitcoin, the biggest market cap out there. Ethereum number 2. And Ethereum, let's have a look at this. Again, I'm starting at the weekly. Back in this cradle, moving quite nicely. Happy. And we're moving out of there, breaking the high of last week's candle, of course. Look at this daily. There's a higher low. There's a higher high. We've got a resistance level right here, or a bit of it, yeah. 400 ahead, but look at this candle. This one here. I know it's not green, but it's bullish. It rejected the lows and came back up here. Now, if we can take out that high of 382.25, then I can see further follow through of buying, taking us through that resistance. The resistance is the one that I want to see us bust, but I think if we get through here, we got a real shot at that, and being above 400 again would be super, wouldn't it? XRP also, look at this trend has not been as good as some of the others this week. It's, as you can see with ETH, it did pull back, but only slightly. Bitcoin did pull back, but only slightly. XRP pulled back a bit further. There is still resistance running through here. We have to be aware of that, all right? But the opportunity, again, is more market specific, or more market wide, sorry. Again, higher low, high, potential higher low. I want to see this continue. So we've got Bitcoin, ETH, and XRP. 3 mega caps in our market, all primed, all in good positions to see further upside. Bitcoin Cash has been an absolute rock star. Really hasn't looked back. We talked about this support. It has bounced like a mofo. Looking really good. And this is a market that I am currently stalking trades in. I didn't quite get the pullbacks I was after. That was a little doozy, potentially. And now if I go to the 4 hour, I was hoping to see yesterday a nice clean pullback. Didn't see it. So I stepped up to the 8 hour. I was hoping to see it here. Didn't see it. So I stepped to the 12. If we do have a major market pullback, the 12 is still good as gold. So even if we do have a big fall, the 12 can still pick that up for me. But realistically, I am working the lower time frames now. I want to see, look at this, higher low, higher low, higher low. I want to see this high push on a bit more and buy cradles on the way back or Fibonacci boosters. So I am very much stalking trades here on Bitcoin Cash. I've not really got too much else. I'm just going to mark that level in there as well. I don't have actually a bit more Watchlist. It should be. I'm going to keep an eye on that throughout the session. If I go to Litecoin again, I'll jump to the daily. Again, higher low, higher high, resistance above, much the same as XRP and ETH. Bitcoin, not so much, okay? But look, we pulled back in, bullish candle in that cradle, moving averages founding really well. So I'm pretty keen to see us push through that 51 area. If we break the high of this candle, we're also above $50, which has been a level of, well, it's a round number. So Litecoin, again, so far the top 5 are poised. BSV looks terrible. Cardano, poised. Bullish candle in the cradle zone. Break the high. Again, another top 10 could, well, don't think it's in the top 10. It could push on through, and that would be fantastic. Again, towards that greater market theory of moving higher is what I'm working to. Binance been moving quite well this week. It's up here right now on the 4. I'm going to go to the 1. I love the cyclicity of this chart. I want to see it push higher, and I want to see that candle back on here for a little cradle trade on BNB Perp. If I jump back now to EOS, we're going to say, yeah, EOS, no interest, and Link. Link also poised, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Higher low, higher high, pulling back. So out of our major market caps, we do have a huge amount of opportunity potentially available. It's got to break the high of those candles. The reason I got a video out like this and less of a specific watch list is because I think this is going to provide you a better platform to trade throughout later on this afternoon, because we still got to get through those levels, right? And we've got to set up. But also across the weekend, we could see some really fantastic moves. I say could because you just never know. But probability suggests if we can get through those levels based on my experience, what I've known, I can see there being some fireworks available, and I want you ready for it. Have a great day. If you haven't got your FTX account, again in the description below. Call your mates, check they're okay, and if you're not okay, that's fine. Give your buddy a call. Take care. Have a great weekend. Let's hope it's a big one, eh? Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.